All right, in our weather forecast, obviously we have the cold back, and this whole week is looking on the chilly side. Although we'll go up and down a little bit, we're expecting at least 2 more freezing mornings north of the lake. And then we also had one, of course, this morning. So tonight we're expecting another freeze on the North Shore. Another big chill arrives Thursday, and it's looking like we get another cold front this weekend, sometime late Saturday into Sunday. And you can see this upper pattern bringing in not only the cold that we just got, but here's another one for Thursday with this troughing, bringing it all the way south into our part of the Gulf Coast. And here's another big dip bringing in that colder air on Sunday, and that's looking a little more likely. Our global model should be coming into better sync, although for the weekend they're still a little off, but starting to look like they'll be more in line with a cold front moving through Saturday to Sunday. This morning we woke up to freezing temperatures, or some of you did if you were up early enough on the North Shore. About 32 at Hammond, 30 Slidell, and 40 south of the lake. And now looking at tomorrow morning, we're jumping ahead to your Tuesday morning around sunrise. We'll be right in that same range again, about 30 north. That's a light freeze, so whatever you did last night to protect plants, pets, and people on the North Shore, just do it again. South of the lake, we're looking for lows about 40 once again. Away from the city, though, maybe some frost around Houma and Thibodaux, so might want to go ahead and protect plants there. And then south of Lake Pontchartrain for the city and spots near the coast will probably be well above that frost range. Right now we're at 48, cold kind of middle of the day with beautiful skies, some high clouds filtering in with some blue sky. A lot of temperatures are making it now for a lot of spots into the lower 50s, and we're looking for highs probably mid 50s for most of us today. Still a bit breezy. We have that north wind still bringing in some of that far north air, and our forecast for today, you can see topping out middle 50s and then dropping off through the 40s as we move through this evening. And then our lows tonight, I showed you around freezing north and about 40 south. Satellite and radar showing a few of those high clouds. And as we zoom out, what we have is really just surface high pressure right out here to the northwest. That, once it continues to shift to the east, is going to allow us to see a little bit of a warm up on Wednesday. So Tuesday, still a cold morning, freezing north for early tomorrow, but then a bit of a warm up starts to get going. Also, we'll see probably another surge of some clouds late tomorrow. This takes us into Wednesday. We may hit middle 60s on Wednesday with a morning in the 40s, so no freeze on Wednesday morning. And look at this, as this next front approaches, we might see a couple of stray sprinkles. This is Wednesday evening, so very slight chance for some sprinkles on Tuesday and Wednesday ahead of this next blast of cold air. So Thursday, another big chill. And then for the weekend, again, we've been talking about that one too. Today, again, highs around 54, winds gradually slacking off by tonight. You can see tonight almost calm winds, about 5-mile-per-hour winds from the northeast, and our lows there in the 30s north of the lake and right around 40, maybe brushing the upper 30s south of Lake Pontchartrain. You can see by Tuesday we'll be closer to 60 for tomorrow afternoon with some of those clouds moving back in. Our warmest day looks like Wednesday, then the big drop in temperatures Thursday. Not a freeze just yet Thursday morning, but Friday morning will be quite cold, a light freeze north and maybe close to frost range south of Lake Pontchartrain. Then we go back to 65 on Friday during the day, should be gorgeous. And then you can see this weekend, at least a slight chance of rain on Saturday, but keep your eye on that rain chance. It will probably either go up or down as the models have been struggling a little bit, but it does look like that next cold front will be diving in and bringing us cooler weather once again heading into Sunday.